Today, I'm going to show you how to create custom video bookmarks in VLC Media Player. This is a super handy trick if you want to jump quickly to your favorite parts of a video, keep track of important scenes, or reference specific moments for editing, presentations, or study. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set, label, and manage bookmarks, making your VLC experience much smoother and more personalized. So let's get started. First things first, open up VLC and load the video file you want to work with. This could be anything, a movie, a lecture, a music video, whatever you'd like to bookmark. If you're not sure how to open a file, just head to the top left menu, click Media, and choose Open File to browse for your video. Easy as that. And remember, you can use bookmarks with pretty much any video format that VLC can play, so you have tons of flexibility. Now, let's move to the spot you want to bookmark. You can drag the progress bar, use the arrow keys, or even adjust playback speed to nail down that precise moment. Take your time here, whether it's a powerful scene, a tricky instruction, or that hilarious blooper you love to rewatch. Getting the timing right ensures your bookmark means something later on. Think of bookmarks like digital sticky notes for your videos. They let you snap straight to the highlights, and the more accurate you are, the more useful they'll be. Once you're exactly where you want, look up to the top menu bar. Click Playback, then hover over Custom Bookmarks. In the sub-menu, you'll see the option Manage. If you like shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+B on Windows or Linux, or CMD+B if you're on a Mac. Shortcuts make this process super speedy, especially if you're adding lots of bookmarks. This opens the Edit Bookmarks window. Here, you'll see any bookmarks you've already created for this video, all laid out nice and tidy. Managing your bookmarks in VLC is straightforward, with all the controls you need right at your fingertips. To add a new bookmark, simply click the Create button. VLC will automatically add a new entry with the exact timestamp you're on, plus the title of your video. This saves you the hassle of jotting down times or keeping your own notes. As soon as you click, your moment is captured. No extra steps needed. But plain bookmarks can start to pile up, especially in longer videos. To stay organized, select your new bookmark and click the Rename button. Here's where you can give your bookmark a descriptive label, maybe something like Epic Twist Reveal, Start of Chapter 3, or Funny Outtake. Giving bookmarks clear names makes it way easier to know exactly where you're jumping, and it's a lifesaver when you revisit the video later or share bookmarks with friends. If you want to jump straight to a bookmarked spot, just double-click any bookmark in the list. VLC will whisk you right to that moment. No scrubbing or guessing required. This is perfect for presentations, study sessions, or reviewing content without losing time. And of course, sometimes you want to clean things up. To remove a bookmark, select it and hit the Delete button. VLC instantly removes it from the list, so you can keep only the bookmarks that really matter to you. When you're done managing your bookmarks, just click Close to exit the window. Nothing you set will be lost, and your bookmarks are now ready for use whenever you open that video in VLC. That's it. With these steps, you can create, organize, and use custom bookmarks in VLC Media Player. It's a fantastic way to make your videos more interactive and useful, whether you're a movie buff, a student, or just someone who wants a little more control over a playback. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.